Hey everyone, as a designer, it's important to constantly keep learning new things and improving ourselves. And it's actually not that hard to do if you think about it. All you need is a will to learn and a little bit of efforts. Here are the things which I do on a day-to-day basis to improve myself by 1% every single day.
Number one, case studies and articles. This is probably the easiest way to gain extra knowledge on a day-to-day basis. I use Musely Chrome extension to find new case studies, new articles, and design resources. Apart from this, I follow a bunch of Medium publications like UX Planet, UX Collective, and Bootcamp, etc. I also follow another website called as The Hard Copy, which has case studies very specific to Indian brands. Number two, books. Books are a great way to get in-depth understanding about a particular topic. Currently, I'm reading a bunch of books from O'Reilly Media. My current read is Project Design from O'Reilly Media again. Apart from this, I also read books related to psychology and business. Even though this may not directly be related to design, it helps me become a better designer overall. Number three, my favorite, YouTube videos. There are some channels which deliver a lot of value in every single video that they put out. One such channel is Femke's YouTube channel. She has great videos on how to work with stakeholders, how to do dev handoff, how to create your own portfolio website, and etc. Apart from this, I also spend some time to watch various sessions from awards, Figma Config, and etc. There are a bunch of other channels which I follow, like AJ and Smart, King Siddharth's live videos, Flux, etc. Podcasts are my favorite long form of content. In a span of 45 to 60 minutes, it allows me to absorb every little detail or information about a particular topic. And sometimes when I watch it on 1.5x or 2x speed, I can probably cover 2 or 3 podcast episodes in a day. My favorite podcast has to be High Resolution. You can watch their videos on YouTube. They're brilliantly crafted and they're well directed, and they're always to the point. Apart from this, there are a bunch of other design podcasts which I listen to, and that includes Higher Worthy, Whiteboard FM, Design Better, and Talk Design to Me, which is run by my friend Srinivas Teja. You should definitely check it out. Number 5, Skillshare. Now, this video is not sponsored by Skillshare. I'm recommending Skillshare only because I enjoy using it. I personally use it, and there are a bunch of courses which I've taken and I really love it. Now, I prefer Skillshare because it has a lot of bite-sized courses which are extremely good and are extremely well produced. And at the same time, they provide a lot of value in every single course which they do. I mostly use Skillshare for illustration tutorials, Procreate tutorials, and at the same time, sometimes to learn how to create comics as well. My favorite course has to be Finding Your Style by Andy J. Pizza. It has to be one of the best courses I've ever taken. It put me on a journey to help me discover my own style in illustrations. I haven't reached there yet, but it's helping me getting there a lot more faster. Number 6, inspiration websites. Now, I use inspiration websites on 2 different occasions. Sometimes when I have a specific problem to solve and I'm looking for an inspiration from one of the apps which I already know about, and other times where I'm randomly browsing and trying to understand what kind of interactions they're using, what kind of user flow is the app using. I personally prefer Mobbin for inspiration as it's regularly updated and it already has a repository of multiple apps with their screenshots and etc. Apart from this, I also use One Page Love for finding landing page inspirations. Now, I understand if this video was overwhelming. It's completely fine. You don't need to do every single thing which I mentioned on this video. If you don't like reading books, that's alright. Replace it with probably podcasts, articles, or YouTube videos. What is important is how much are you learning and how consistently and regularly are you doing it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, do like and subscribe. And if there's a video on another topic which you would want me to make, do leave it in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video. Have a nice day.